So you will be needing 500 grams of uncooked prawns, a glass of white wine. We're going to have 6-7 cloves of garlic, some spring onions, some parsley, some Parmesan cheese, 500-600 mils of thickened cream, and 500 grams of spaghetti. Next, put some water in a pot, bring it to a boil, add a little bit of salt, and add your pasta. Now we'll just chop up some garlic, up to you how you like your garlic, thick, fine, but just chop it up anyway. Next we'll just chop up a bit of flat leaf parsley, and before you forget, also just chop up some of those spring onions. Now heat up your pan, put a little bit of good virgin olive oil, a little bit extra, that doesn't hurt, and start putting in your prawns. Now cook those prawns through for about a minute and then flip them over for another minute, and then you can take them out of the pan. Now we've got those prawns to the desired cooking stage that we want them. Let's just take them out, put them in another dish. Okay, so now we've basically taken our prawns. We just put the heat on to medium low. We'll add some butter at this stage. That will all just mix in well nice. Now we'll just add the garlic, and we'll just mix that through. Just be careful not to burn your garlic, and then we'll add the spring onions. Now just give this a nice stir through, and then add a little bit of white wine, which is that cup of white wine. So now what we want to do is deglaze the bottom, get all those nice juices going in, mix it in well, and we'll let that slightly reduce. We'll take the alcohol out and we'll just be left with that nice white wine flavour. Next stage, we'll add all of the cream, and again guys, it's on a low, medium to low heat at this stage. Next we'll just add a little bit of that parsley that we chopped up. Mix that through. Now that we've got that on a nice simmer, we'll add some of that Parmesan cheese. Now the amount of Parmesan cheese is up to yourself. I like it pretty cheesy, so I put in a nice amount. Now we'll just let that reduce a little bit, and that will thicken itself right up beautifully. So as you can see, our sauce is nicely thickening up here. So at this stage now, we'll just add our prawns back off. We'll just finish off that little cooking process. Stir them through. How nice does that look? Now we're just going to add our pasta. We'll throw all the pasta in. Naturally we've drained our pasta. And again, anyone cooking pasta, don't put any oil in the water when you're cooking it, or else your sauces won't stick properly. Now have a look at that. So that's been all blended through, and that's just about ready to be put on a plate. So let's get to that stage now. Okay guys, so that's it. Now what we do, we just finish it off with a bit of parsley on top, and how good does that look? That is your creamy prawn pasta bliss. That is a meal for a king. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Please subscribe, follow, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.